Does it fit? Yes. Whoa, that's nice. You see that? Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for watching. Hey, this video is about the propeller holders for the Mavic Air 2 made by PGYTech. And let's open this guy up and see what we have inside. So I'll put the links to the products in the description below. Make sure you guys check it out. If you don't see them, hit that show more button. That'll show you where they're at. Okay, let's go ahead and just... Okay, so here's what we have inside. We have the propeller holders. It looks like a PGYTech nice little sticker. Let me put it on my laptop. I like PGY. Yep. So you get two stickers. That's what it looks like to me. A black and a white one. Nice. And then you have the propeller holder instructions, and they tell you here to put the top props at a point right on top of the drone, and then you put the straps in right at the apexes. On the bottom is you put the points together of the props again, and then you slide this other piece. All right, let's see how easy it is to do. I'm going to move this stuff out of the way. Nice little stickers, though. Kind of like them. I like the black one better, but alright, so here's the Mavic Air 2. So put the props together like that. Take this holder out, and it looks like they're made perfectly to fit in here. You can see that, right? They fit right in there. Stretch them out, and boom, they snap right into place. Wow. This prevents the shape, prevents for changing the shape of your propellers. That's super nice. Alright, so let's do the bottom props here. As I put them in a point, slide them in here like so, and then, oh wow, there we go, got it. So that is it. You believe that? Wow, this has got to be the shortest video that I will ever make. Anyway, that is it, guys. These are the propeller holders for the Mavic Air 2 made by PGYTech. Great product, great reviews. Let's see if it fits into my case. So that's one thing I was worried about. Let me put my case over here. Yeah, so here's my case. And I normally put it, let me back it up a little bit. Yeah, so this is where the Mavic Air 2 fits. Does it fit? Yes. Whoa, that's nice. You see that? That's perfect. All right. So, ready to go? I do have in here my gimbal guard, and I do have the other accessories that comes with it. And I have a lavalier microphone that I'm going to use, and here's my ND filters that come with the Fly More combo, but currently I have a CPL filter on here that I'll be talking about it in the next video. You can see it right here. Yeah, so I use that CPL filter right there to protect the lens on this Mavic Air 2, because as you all know, the Mavic Air 2 does not come with a piece of glass in front of your lens. So I wanted to do that and make sure that I protect it. And so I bought the CPL filter. I'll be doing a review on that next, along with that gimbal guard, because it's all about protecting your investment, and this is most likely the one that's going to break because it sticks out so far. You see it? Most likely going to break. So it fits in here perfectly well, as you can see that. Boom, 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 boom. Rock and roll. Hey guys, I'll put the description of the products. I'll put the links to the products in the description below. Make sure you guys check it out. If you don't see them, hit that show more button. That'll show you where they're at. So once again, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Now it's time to go fly. Does it fit? Yes. Whoa, that's nice. You see that?